Hey guys, so today I'm here to do another yearbook review, and it's not a new Monster Jam yearbook. It's the brand new Monster Truck Throwdown yearbook, which I ordered it online at the Monster Truck Throwdown Superstore, and you can see it says Monster Truck Throwdown right there with souvenir yearbook and overboard and an explosion around the logo. So yeah. Alright, so here's the front cover. You can see it has all the photography staff, design, and special thanks. There's the intro, Monster Truck Throwdown logo right there. Tells you what Monster Truck Throwdown is. You can pause the video and read that if you want. And there's Reckless Driving doing a sky wheelie. The host life, so we've got Ken Novinsky, Ross Barnar, Matt Looker, and Darren Palin. And then I got 2 free stickers from this company, so yeah. That's cool. We got another advertisement for Pro Things apparel, like a motorsport thing. So they got tees, hats, tanks, and sweats. And here's the Throwdown throwback. So we got Bounty Hunter, Jimmy Cretin from then and now, Jim Kohler from then and now, Dave Rappage from then and now, and Dan Patrick from then and now. And Rick Steffens drives Stanson. So here's some pictures of the old monster trucks back in the day. And these are the new ones. Rick Steffens drives this truck. Alright. Monster Truck Throwdown 101, so you can pause the video and read this. There's Reckless Driving in a sky wheelie from South Bend, Indiana. Look at that page. And now the trucks. Avenger, Jim Kohler. Axe, AJ Gansey. Bad Company, John Gordon. Some awesome pics right there. Bounty Hunter. Brutus, Brad Allen, Crustacean, Greg Witchenbach, Dirt Crew, Gerald Beck, Lumberjack, Kirk Phillips and Christopher Sawicki, Miss Overboard, JJ Ballard. Running those zoomies. Best thing in the world for sound. Overboard, Jamie Gardner. Quad Chaos, Aaron Kane. Rage, Corey Rummel. Reckless Driving, Jeremy Hossman. Stone Crusher, Steve Sims. More advertisements like sponsors and all that. And there's Barbarian. He didn't make the yearbook, but at least, you know, you got a picture. I think he's in the gallery somewhere. That's a nice poster right there. They should create that as a poster. As you can see, the page ripped here. So I had to restaple the book in. So yeah, we got Colvinard and the Black Pearl. Crude Behavior, Jason Court and Jared Vogel. Can't wait to see them again in Alberta. Dragon Slayer, Craig Christensen and Hooked Brian Wright. Iron Outlaw, Mike Christensen and Matt Pagliarillo and the Jester. Rap Attack, Dave Rappage, Samson, Rick Steffens. Don Creedon, Scarlet Bandit, Toxic, Corey, and Jay Snyder. Trainwreck, Dan Carey, which you can kind of see me right there. And Double Trouble and Troublemaker. The Groth brothers. Chris Kohler and Wrecking Crew and Exterminator J.R. McNeil. So that's all the trucks. And now some pictures from the past year from Australia. I'll just scroll down and you can take a look at all the photos. There's the Halloween Jester. That was awesome. Hopefully Jester does that again this year. And Short Iron didn't get like one of the main pages like this. Yeah. So they gave him a small part in the yearbook. So if I ever see him, I'll just ask him to sign the book right there. And freestyle motocross and more. So here's some more awesome pictures from last season. There's the Avenger pickup. There's Bigfoot. There's Barbarian again doing a wheelie. There's Trainwreck from last year in Alberta. There's Wildside. They should have given him a page in the yearbook. There's Trainwreck again from last year in Alberta. That was his first cartwheel attempt and it didn't really go well. Now there's some great images from last season. There's Short Iron. Overboard. I hope they have that hat. That hat and that shirt at the event that I'm going to. I really want one. I really want a shirt and a hat. And here's some closing ads. Dirt Crew. The Throwdown Girls. ride truck experience, and here's some extra trucks. We got Ice Cream Man, Storm Damage, focus. So yeah, Storm Damage, Hurricane Force, Black Stallion, Overkill Evolution, Bug Shot, Equalizer, Tailgater, and Just Get Her Done. And that's the yearbook for Monster Throwdown. I'm going to give it a 9.5 out of 10. They should have put it, in my opinion, because Wildside is running this year, they should have put him in there, but, you know, I mean, I guess they forgot to put him in there, but anyways, that's the yearbook review. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.